Hi, my name is Bamise Peter and I'm a graphic designer. I began my career since I was 17 years old and I've trained over hundreds of people from zero to hero level. For over 10 years, I've worked with different companies like Pepsi in Ivory Coast, IT organizations in Nigeria, and many more small startup companies. I know Photoshop can be very difficult to use when you have not used it before or even opened it before. Or maybe you even open it and you don't know what to do with it. So in this video, I'll teach you how you can actually create graphic designs in a professional way. Designs that communicate and also engage people and makes them to take the right action you want them to take. Essentially, this course is not just for beginners alone, but also for people who are intermediate or also an expert. By the end of this course, you will learn how to create any dynamic designs like basic logos or advanced logos, banners, business cards, flyers, or even billboards. Plus, the bonus I'm going to be giving you on this video, I'll be adding some of my blueprint course, whereby I will teach you how to actually create designs for car, we call them car wraps, or vehicles of any, maybe it's a car or maybe it's a van or any motorcycles. And by the end of this video, you will have been an expert in the field of graphic design. If you have never opened a Photoshop before, or you actually opened one but you don't know how to use and you feel frustrated, join me in this course. I will take you from a zero level to an hero level. See you on the inside, my friend. Bye.